Today we will see the practice set 16 of chapter 5th, that is decimal fraction. The multiply. How to multiply? See here. The first question is 743 multiplied by 32. 2 threes are. Come on, write down in the chat box. 2 threes are. Yes, 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 sevens are very good, 14. Okay, now here we will give a 0 or a multiply sign. Okay, 3 threes are very good, 3 fours are 12, 3 sevens are 21, and plus 1 carry, that will be 22. 9 plus 8, 17. So 1 carry here and 7 here. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, yes, very good. 5 plus 2, 7. 1 plus 2, 3. Very good. And 2 as it is. So this is a simple multiplication which we are doing. Okay, which we are doing. This is a simple multiplication. But when you will see the second question, okay, see the second question. Same question is there. Question number 1 and question number 2 is same. But there is a difference between in a decimal point. Okay, when you will do this question, when you will do this first question, you will get the simple. When you will do the second question, you will get the same answer. The same answer you will get, but you have to only put in decimal fraction, decimal point. How you will give? See here. After two numbers, here is a point. After 2, here is a point. Okay. So now after 2 numbers we have to give a decimal point, or after 1 number we have to give a decimal point. That is a confusion. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to count the whole numbers. That is, after 1 number here is a decimal point, and after 2 numbers here is a decimal point. It means it includes 3. Okay, 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So it means we have to give a decimal point after a 3 number. That is 1, 2, 3. So after 3, you have to give a decimal point, and that is before 7. Okay. So it is 23.776. When you will solve the second question, when you are getting the answer, at that time you have to give the decimal point. In this method, there is no need to give a decimal point. When you give the answer, after that you have to give a decimal point. You will get the same answer. There is no changes in anything. Okay, but you have to give the only decimal point, that is after 3 numbers. How after 3 numbers? Here is the after 2 numbers a decimal point, and here is after 1 number decimal point. So it means total after 3 numbers we have to give a decimal point. And when we are giving a decimal point, the value of the number change. Okay, that in the last lecture only I have explained you that when we give a decimal point, the value of the value of the number is changed. The total value of the number will be changed. Okay, now we will see the third example. See, so it will be clear to you. Okay, those who have not understood in first example, we will clear in the second example. See now. What is this? 46.5 multiplied by 2.1. Okay. So now here we have to multiply it. That is 1 5 are 5. 1 6 are 6. Very good. 1 4 are 4. Okay. When we are taking the second number, that is 2, we have to give 1 0 on the unit place, correct? Or you can give a multiply sign also. 2 5 are 10. Very good. 2 6 are 12. Very good. And plus 1, 13. So it means you all know the tables and you all know how to multiply. 2 4s are 8 and plus 1, 9. After this, we will plus it. Okay. We have to plus it. 5 plus 0, 5. 6 plus 0. Yes, very good. Student are giving very nicely answer. 4 plus 3. Yes, very good. 9 as it is because there is no number. Okay. So here we got the answer now. Here we got the answer. Now we have to give a decimal point. Okay. Now we have to give a decimal point. So we will count the number. That is after 5 a decimal point and after 1 a decimal point is there. So we will give a after how many number we will give a decimal point? Very good. After 2 numbers. It means what? Write down the whole answer with the decimal point. Very good. Very good. It means 97 point. 97 point. You have to count from the backside. It means from the unit place. Okay. Always the next number we are counting from the unit place only. So when we are counting that, you have to give the 2 after 2 number points. So you have to count it from here. That is 1 and 2. 1 and 2, 5, 6, 1, 2. After that, you have to give a decimal point. From here, it is a wrong way. Okay. We have to count it from the unit place only. So 97.65. Okay. So the doubts is clear to you how to multiply with the decimal point. Now here, what is that? If 317 multiplied by 45, the answer will be what? 14,265. Correct. Here the directly the answer is given. If, okay, if 317 multiplied by 45, then the answer will be this. Okay, 14,265. Then यानी अगर 3.75 multiplied by 4.5, it means the number is same. You can see the number is same. Okay, but they have given the decimal point. So what will be the answer? It means the answer will be also the same, only we have to write the decimal point. Correct. In the example just now, I have explained you the first and second question. Both our number are same, but there is a decimal point, so that we have to write only the decimal point. The answer will come same. Okay. Yes, most of the students given me the answer also. Very good. Many of the students given me the answer. So what is that? here we get the answer. The same answer we will get in this sum also. Why? Because the number is same. Okay, the number is same. So we will get the answer, that is 14,265. Correct. And now we got a decimal point. Now here is the question, a decimal point. Yeah, beta. Question that is a decimal point. So we have to give a decimal point. Yes. 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 Very good. We have to count here. Here it is after two number, a decimal. Okay, and here it is after one number, a decimal point is there. It means a total number. After three number, we have to give a decimal point. So here it will be 1, 2, 3, and 3 after three number, we have to give a decimal point, that is 14.265. 14.265. When there is a point, you can't read it that 14.265. No, when there is a point, you have to read 14.265. Okay, so here we got the answer, that is 14.265. Before I am writing, the student has given me the answer. Very good. Now
Okay, teacher.
4 sevens are
28. Teacher, 28.
yeah. हाँ 4 twos are
8 plus 2, 10. Yes.
1
And
7
1 7 are 7.
1 twos are
2.
now what I will do?
You will teacher plus. Do plus. Yes. 8 zeros are 0.
8 zeros are 8 plus 0.
Oh, sorry.
हाँ
8 plus 0 is 8. And 0 plus 7, 7. And 1 plus 2, 3. Yes, and teacher, the decimal point will come after 3.
after
3.
very good. So you all have understood. Okay,
Yes.
now we will see the next sum. So in this way, you have to count the number and you have to give the decimal point. Okay, in this way, you have to solve the sums. Now the remaining question number 3 and 4. Question number 3 and 4 is your homework. Okay. Question number 3 and 4 is your homework. Okay. These two questions you have to do it by your own. Now see the fourth question. It is a word problem. Now what we have to do? Virendra bought 18 bags of rice. Okay, each bag weighing is 5.250 kg. How much rice did